Well, here we are on the outside of the south side of the house, and Perry's working on the carport area. Well, hi Perry, tell us a little bit about what you're doing here.
Well, I am really putting a lot of product into these block walls. It is just drinking it up. These are empty block cavities, and we're filling it up with foam.
And this is Perry Leitner with Smart Foam. It's a new franchise here in Cincinnati. It's offering this very high performance foam to the residential and the commercial market. Completely biodegradable. I don't have to worry about anything damaging my plants or yard. They just spray it off after they're done.
It's actually feeding your plants in your yard. Nitrogen is the main product. Okay.
Now this is going to fill up this whole cavity as I pan up the wall all the way to the bathroom on the second floor. And fill the whole cavity up, just like filling it up with water. So Perry, what got you into doing this business?
Well, Chuck, this is the lowest hanging fruit of all of them. It's the least expensive for the return on comfort and cost.
Absolutely. Insulate your house first.
The most remarkable thing I think you're going to see is how quiet your house is going to be.
And it's going to be very well sealed too. It'll stop all the air infiltration, which most people don't realize is a big thief of energy thief, is that air infiltration.
We're going to cut that airflow down and keep all that humidity and heat inside your house. It'll be easier to breathe. You won't find the air so dry. It's going to be a remarkable difference in your quality of life.
Well, fantastic. And what's the foam made out of?
There you go. Well, it's kind of like the consistency of shaving cream.
It's mostly
it'll be dry in a couple of hours. It's very soft.
And it uses nitrogen as the...
Nitrogen, it's a latex product, so it's totally water soluble, and it's half closed cell and half open cell foam. So as we get to 2 inches, it's actually developing a vapor barrier in your walls as well.
Fire resistant.
Fire resistant?
Fire resistant, and it has an anti-mildew, mold, and fungal chemical in there so that it won't breed bacteria. And hit me again. Come on.
So we see...
Right now we're just flowing it right up the wall there, Chuck. And it's coming out of little cracks and crevices as we go along. Just remarkable.
Well, they drill a 5/8 hole at the bottom, and then they drill a 1/4 inch air hole at the top. It lets the air escape, and then you'll see the foam come out of those little holes at the top when the cavity is filled up. Now explain the way these cavities work in this block, Perry. There's columns of airspace.
There's actually 2 open cells, and then at the end of each block is a little header. So you have these open cells, and they all line up with each other up through the block wall. In new construction, we can actually fill the block from the top, while they're building the building. So we don't have to drill in the hole in the walls. But in this particular case, it's the only way to do a retrofit. Hit me.
Well, this is a very interesting project. It's the start of the process of making this home that was designed by Frank Lloyd Wright in 1956 to be LEED Platinum. It's going to require extensive air sealing and insulation and other environmental factors to saving water. All the energy plug loads, reduced lighting demands, and improved indoor air quality. The goal is the U.S. Green Building Council's leadership in energy and environmental design certification. We're shooting for platinum. It may not be able to physically get there. To do that, for my preliminary research, I need to be 28% better than ASHRAE 2004 standards. Now recently I got my office LEED Platinum this spring, May 5th, 2011. And that's Laurie and Associates and their division Green Cincinnati Education Advocacy is a division I started in 2005 to help promote the green building in the Cincinnati, Ohio, and Indiana, Kentucky area.
Okay, he's right there. He said everything's good inside.
All right, one more.